So this is our absolute favorite restaurant in Louisville, Kentucky. It's called the Old Spaghetti Factory, and it has amazing pasta and amazing dessert. So you guys gotta check it out. It also has chandeliers everywhere.
Lots of chandeliers. And it also has a trolley. So Kelly was just telling me that this place is cool because they give you an appetizer, a main dish, and a dessert.
All for the price of an entree.
There you go. So we got soup and salad.
I always get the tortellini Alfredo because it is so good.
Thank you.
Thank you. It is so good. It's heavenly. And Will just got the...
It is spicy spaghetti versus...
Vestivus for the rest of us.
There you go.
And for dessert, they have delicious spumoni. We have delicious spumoni ice cream. And it comes in 3 flavors all together. So I got chocolate, I already ate my pistachio, and I'm working on my strawberry. So this is included in your meal.
Guys, stay tuned for my exciting announcement in 3, 2, 1.
Alright, you all. So, that was a short video. And the reason is, we have announcements we have to put at the end of the video.
Super exciting announcements.
What is the announcement, Kelly?
Drum roll.
We're in Hawaii right now. So we've been so busy with our travels to Hawaii that we haven't been able to pump out a lot of really good videos. So we're taking a break next week so that we can focus on our Hawaii videos. The week after, we're going to do a video of the Glass Center Part 2. Like
when are we doing that one?
The week after next week.
There we go.
And then we're going to show you some of our amazing stuff in Hawaii. So
You just offended everyone who lives here.
put in the comment section if you're excited. And we're in Hawaii right now. So if you have anything that you think that we should go see, we're going to be in Hawaii in a couple days.
That's right. And you all just relax and enjoy your vacation from watching our videos next week. And just recharge. And don't forget to come back the week after, because it's very important that y'all keep watching the videos and liking and subscribing and hitting the bell notification so that we can keep growing the channel and make it to 1,000 so that we can do this full time.
I'm so sorry, you ran sometimes.
Okay, bye.
Bye.